In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your project into Descript using Underlord. First, make sure you have Descript open and that the project you want to work on is ready to go. Launch the app, choose your project from your recent list, or open it from your files. Give the project a moment to load so you can see your script or timeline. If your content includes text, confirm the script appears in the editor. That way, Underlord knows exactly what needs to be translated. It's always a good idea to save your project before making changes, just to keep everything tidy. Next, bring your cursor to the Underlord assistant. You'll typically find it as an icon or a prompt field in the editor, often near the lower corner of the interface. Hover over it to reveal the input box where you can talk to Underlord. This is where the translation magic happens. In the prompt, be clear and specific about what you want. For example, you can type something like, translate this entire script to Spanish, or translate to French and keep names, timestamps, and formatting. If you need a particular regional style or tone, include that too. The clearer your instructions, the better the result. You don't need to paste your content into the prompt if it's already visible in your project. Underlord will reference what's on the page. After you submit your prompt, give Descript a moment to process. You'll see it working in the background as it translates your script. The time this takes can vary depending on the length of your project and your internet connection, so don't worry if it needs a little time. When it finishes, you'll see the translated text appear in the editor. Take a quick look to make sure things look right. Proper names, brand terms, and technical phrases are usually handled well, but it's smart to scan for any nuances you care about, like tone or regional vocabulary. And that's it, you're done. You've opened your project, prompted Underlord to translate, waited for the process to complete, and now you have your translated script. If you plan to share or publish, play through a section to hear how it flows and make minor tweaks if needed. Small adjustments to punctuation or phrasing can make a big difference in clarity. When you're satisfied, save your project so your translated version is preserved. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep exploring Underlord prompts to speed up other editing tasks and enjoy a smoother workflow inside Descript.